In this video, we're going to look at how to find the mode, range, median, and mean of a data in a frequency table. So after going through this video, you will learn how to find the mode, range, median, and mean of a data in a frequency table. So ensure you stay to the very end of this video because this is a very important aspect of statistics. Okay, now having known this, let's go into the details of the video. Now let me get a question that will help us to understand this concept well. Alright, and from there we'll explain some things we need to know. Let me get a question. Okay guys, now let's look at this question. The question says some people were asked how many sisters they have. The table opposite that this table we have here shows the results. Find the mode, the range, the mean, and the median of the data. Alright, now note that the difference here is that the data is in a table. Now let's begin by finding the mode. As we all know, the mode is the highest occurring frequency. Okay, so the highest occurring frequency in this table, looking at it, is our 1. Alright, the 1 here, because 1 is occurring 15 times, is the highest value, the highest frequency here. So our mode is 1. Alright, so that's the answer to this question. Now for the range is the highest value minus the lowest value. Here now, the range will be 4. The highest value here is 4. Alright, you will not use 5 here because in this 5 we have here, the 5, no one has 5 sisters. Alright, for the frequency 0, no one has 5 sisters. So that means the highest value here will be 4. The highest number of sisters will be 4. Alright, minus 0, the least, which will give us what? 4. Okay, so that would be the range for this frequency table. Whereas the mean, our mean, now we're going to apply this formula sigma fs over sigma f. Alright, sigma, this sigma sign stands for summation. For sigma fs, that means we need to get fs. So this table, that's why I included this column here. Right, so this will be our fx. So our fx will be this frequency multiply the number of sisters respectively or individually. So 7 times 0 will still give us 0. 15 times 1 will give us 15. Alright, 12 times 2 will give us 24. 8 times 3 will give us 24. Okay, so we have 4 times 4 will give us 16. And 5 times 0 give us 0. So when you add what you have here at this fx, you're going to get your sigma fs will be 79. Alright, when you add what you have here for the frequency, your sigma f will be, so when you add this one, you're going to have it to be 46. Okay, now when you plug it in this value for the mean, which is the average, you're going to have 79 divided by 46. Okay, so when you punch in the calculator, you're going to have the value to be 1.7173. Now you keep having, we are calling decimal, so to leave it in 3 significant figures, it's going to give us 1.72. Alright, so that would be the answer for the mean. Now lastly, for the median. Okay, now for the median, this is a formula you can apply to reduce your stress for the median of the frequency table. Okay, so apply this formula to reduce your work. This is a formula n plus 1 divided by 2. Right, where n is the frequency, the summation of the frequency, our sigma f. Alright, so this is going to give us 46 our summation of the frequency, that sigma f, is 46 plus 1 divided by 2, which will give us 47 divided by 2. So when you punch it in the calculator, we are going to have it to be 23.5. Now we have 23.5. Next thing I'm going to do will be to ask yourself, from this frequency data we have, which values we be adding up to get between 23.5 and 24. So when we add 7 plus 15 will give us 22, not 23.5. Now 22 plus 12, it will exceed 23.5. Alright, because 22 plus 12 will give us 34. Alright, so we need this frequency value of 12 to get in between 23. So that means under this frequency, the number of sisters under this frequency of 12 is what? 2. Now this shows us that the median for this frequency table will be what? 2. Alright, because this 2 is the number of sisters under this frequency value of 12 that you will add to 7 and 15 to get your result to be within 23.5 thereabouts. Okay, so that's how you can find the median of the frequency table. Alright, so it's as easy as that. Okay, so having known how to find the mode, the range, mean and median of a frequency table, let me give you guys a practice math question on this test of knowledge before I call it a class. Let's wipe this. Okay guys, now let's look at this math practice question. It says 50 people were asked how many times a week they played sports. The table opposite shows the results. We're asked to find the median, calculate the mean. Alright, so this is the table. Now feel free to pause this video and see if you can figure out this statistics question, the answers. Okay, let's do it together. Now let's start by getting the mean first. Alright, so our mean, we're going to apply this formula, sigma fx over sigma f. Let's get our sigma fs and sigma f respectively. Then we're going to have our fx here. So our fx will be 8 times 0 give us 0, 15 times 1 give us 15, 17 times 2 give us 34. Okay, 6 times 3 will give us 18, 4 times 4 will give us 16, 0 times 5 give us 0. Alright, so our sigma fs will be, let me punch it on the calculator. Okay, so I have it to be 83. Our sigma f will be, let me punch this on the calculator. So I have this one to be 50. Okay, so when you plug it here, you're going to have it to be 83 over what? 50. Okay, so 83 divided by 50. When you punch it on the calculator, you're going to have it to be 1.66. Alright, so that will be the mean for this frequency data. Okay, now for the median, let's get the median. Remember, we're going to apply this formula, n plus 1 divided by 2. Alright, where our n is the summation of the frequency, so we have it to be 50 plus 1 divided by 2, which will give us 51 divided by what? 2. Alright, so 51 divided by 2 is going to give us 25.5. Okay, now you check from this frequency data we have, the values you'll be adding, and it will get to or sum up to around 25.5 thereabout. So when you add 8 plus 15 give us 23. Okay, 23 plus 17 will give us 40. Alright, so we need this value, this 17 frequency value, to get to summation of around 25.5 thereabout. So this tells us that, and this 17, the number of times sports played is 2 for 17. Okay, so this tells us that this 2 here is for the 17 frequency value. This 2 here will be our median. Alright, so our median will be what? 2. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So that's for how to find the mean, the mode, the median, and the range of a frequency table. I hope there's something interesting from this video. Okay, now if you are new to the channel, ensure you check the description of this video below for a link to our Telegram channel. Click on it and join the Telegram channel for instant notifications. Also ensure you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know how you feel from what I've learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions asked regarding this topic, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Okay, so that's it for this class, guys. Thanks for watching. Now click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video.